Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how easy and fast to make really tasty pancakes from ricotta. They will be soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. You will need the following ingredients: 300 grams of ricotta or cottage cheese, 1 egg, 15 grams of sugar, 20 to 35 grams of flour, vanilla sugar or vanilla essence, a pinch of salt, butter or vegetable oil for frying. But you can also replace ricotta with cottage cheese. But since I live where I live, there is no possibility to buy cottage cheese. I will make from ricotta. If you cook from cottage cheese and want to make pancakes tasty and you do not have to add too much flour, properly squeeze the cottage cheese under the press. It should be completely dry. In a large bowl, first grate the ricotta with a fine grater. If you use cottage cheese, pass it through a sieve to homogenize the mixture and eliminate lumps. Add the sugar, vanilla sugar, a pinch of salt and the egg. Add the flour, which I sifted through a sieve. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. Form small round tortillas. I use a spatula, but you can use a large knife to form the mixture. From the given ingredients you will get 8 to 9 pieces. I divided by 50 grams. Heat a frying pan with butter or vegetable oil over medium heat. Place the cheesecakes in the pan, cover with a lid so that the mixture inside is well cooked, and fry on both sides until golden, about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Done! The pancakes are now ready to serve. Serve with sour cream, jam, or fresh fruit. But I like to eat them with caramel. The recipe for creamy caramel you can find on my channel. Link I will write you in the description of the video. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching. I hope this recipe is useful for you. Subscribe to the channel for more culinary delights. See you soon!